Hello everybody, this is dietitian Simran Vohra. I am a nutritionist and a dietitian. I have transformed more than 5,000 clients in my experience. And what all diets I give is completely out of your kitchen. It's a home basic diet consists of everything that is very natural. So coming to diet plan, see, diet plan is not considered as something that you are ready to stick to some diet that is going to lose you weight, okay? But it is more of something that will make you look healthy, look fit, and to look very awesome. So diet is basically that we have to do it not forcefully, but we have to do it by enjoying. So now coming to the diet that I am going to share today a beautiful diet plan for all of you that you can do very easily to lose your weight, to lose your inches, and to look fit. The ones who are going to gym or the ones who are not going because of lockdown, they can easily do this diet at their home. So this diet is not at all something very fancy. This diet is something very easy to do. So now starting with something that why we need to do diet if we are on our weight loss journey, why we cannot eat food that is made at our home. So first answer to the question is that we should not eat anything that is more of a glycemic index. We have to eat low glycemic index food that will help us in losing weight. There is nothing like any magic that will make you lose weight in a second, but we have to do work for it, we have to make some efforts and all such things. So अब हम बात करते हैं कि हम लोगों को डाइट क्यों लेनी चाहिए. डाइट सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट इसलिए रोल प्ले करती है क्योंकि डाइट से हम लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा अपने इनर सेल्फ को बहुत ही खुश और अच्छा महसूस करते हैं. We are on diet. I am someone who is on diet from a very long time. But I just love it. I just cannot stay without it. If I am eating something that is out of my diet pattern, then I feel like there is something like very forceful happen to me, and I am someone who is likely to vomit after that, because somewhere I don't like to eat some things like junk food or anything which is very fried, packed, because it has become my lifestyle now. So before going on any of the diet pattern, just think from your mind that you should not do anything very forcefully. You should first sit, think about yourself, that what your future is going to be, how you will look if you are not on diet. If you are eating healthy, your skin will glow, your nails will be fine, your hair will be fine. But if you are not on any diet and you are completely relied on something like junk, something like very fast, like anything like that, so this is not going to help you for a longer period. At some point you will either be not very healthy by your own, you will feel many of the diseases, you will be having many of the issues, or at the end you will be obese. So for concluding, we can say that we should be on diet, but there are many of the diets in now scenario that is not at all based on juices and salads. We are on the type of scenario that every diet consists of all the home based food. I don't know what people think about that only eating once a day will make them lose weight, only getting starved will make them lose weight, which is something no more of my book, because I have seen by even eating I have lost weight. But there are lots many changes that I have adapted for myself and for my clients which help them in losing weight. By the end of the video, I will share many of the transformations of my clients, that how they lost weight, how much they lost weight, and what was their pattern of following. Today I am going to share with you that there will be a one diet pattern for 7 days that you people can follow and you people can lose your weight. So we'll start our day with an early morning drink. First of all, why is it essential? Early morning drink is essential because it helps to clean your body, it helps to detoxify your toxins, it will make you freshen up like anything. So we will start our morning with the first drink which will go same for the 7 days, which is cumin seeds water. How you need to take that? First of all, you need to soak 1 spoon of cumin seeds in 1 glass of water overnight. In the next day's morning, you just need to boil it like lukewarm water, and you just need to drink that water. Now, after breakfast, what we will do? After an hour, there will be a gap of our breakfast and our morning wake up time. Fine. If there is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour gap between your breakfast, you people need not to stay empty stomach. You have to eat something in between. So what we are going to have is, we will have a 5 pieces of almonds and 2 pieces of walnuts. So these all things need to be soaked. Do not consume them raw. So the soaked nuts we will consume, and a 1 spoon of sunflower seeds. This is going to be our mid morning snack, which is between your early morning drink and your breakfast. Now we will be having our breakfast. I'll be giving you some of the options for the breakfast which will be shared here. So the breakfast options will be a besan chilla. We will be taking 2 besan chilla with a cup of green tea or green chutney. We can consume them too. Either you can have a ball of curd as well. Now coming to your next option is, you can say like 1 ball of dalia. Dalia should be of barley dalia. There must be not of wheat dalia. First thing I said that we should consume the food that is low in glycemic index. So we will consume barley dalia, which is available at Patanjali stores easily. Now our third option comes to be any paneer sandwich. You can say a paneer grill sandwich, a raw paneer sandwich, a paneer bhurji sandwich, any of the sandwich you can take. First thing, what I have included in the breakfast, all these 3 options will be of protein rich. We have to give you protein in the breakfast. So do consume them, and you can have a cup of green tea. But do not consume simple tea with this. First thing, please do not consume simple tea with your any meal. You can take a break of like 30 minutes and you can consume that tea. Okay, now next coming to the mid-morning snack. In the mid-morning snack, we can consume like a cup of green tea if you have not taken in the morning, and any fruit. You can consume just 1 fruit at a time. Even it's summer, so you can consume mango as well. But that should be half mango, not more than that. So you can have half mango, you can have a ball of watermelon, you can have a ball of melon, you can have 1 apple, 1 kiwi, 2 or 3 sliced of papaya. Any fruit you can have. Okay, so after mid-morning snack, we are going to take our lunch. For the lunch, there will be again some of the options, but your lunch should be your home cooked food. There must not be any restriction that you are not going to have anything like you will not be taking salt in the lunch if you have taken in the breakfast. There is nothing like that. You can consume 2 times salt very easily. So we will be taking like 2 chapatis of multigrain flour, of jawar flour or jawar flour. Any of the flour you can consume, and you can eat them with a ball of sabzi. Now sabzi can be of many types, right? But what is meant to be for weight loss is, you can have bottle gourd sabzi, you can have tori sabzi, you can have broccoli sabzi, or you can have cabbage sabzi. And if spinach is available at your place, you can consume that as well. Whatever sabzi, whatever chapati you are taking, please keep in mind that if you feel more hungry after that, like if you take 2 chapatis, if you feel hungry even after that, so what are you going to consume? You will consume a big ball of salad. This is very compulsory. And even nowadays, like summers are going on, so you can even consume a glass of buttermilk. Buttermilk is very good to go, but make sure it must not contain any salt. Now, the second option comes to be your kolam rice. Kolam rice is the smallest tukra rice that we used to take in our daily routine. It is mostly consumed when we make khichdi at our home. So don't go for any brown rice or something. If kolam rice is not available, tukra rice is not available, then go for brown rice. So we will be consuming either a pulao, either a biryani. If you are non-vegetarian, you can even consume biryani, or you can consume dal rice, or you can consume like any sabzi and rice. So all the fiber rich and carbs material will be available, will be given to you in the lunch time. Now we will be having a break of like 3 hours between lunch and between your mid-evening snack. In the mid-evening snack, we can consume, if you are habitual only then. If you are habitual, you can have a small cup of tea, milk tea, but it should not contain any kind of sugar. If you are addicted to sweetness or you can't stay without sugar, then you can consume like jaggery powder into it. You can put like half spoon or 1 spoon jaggery powder into your cup of tea. But that also depends on the quantity of tea you are consuming. Now after taking like tea, you can even have 2 digestive biscuits. So what is the reason that we are taking a mid-evening snack before our lunch? So the reason behind is that we have to consume our lunch very less. So when we are consuming our lunch very less, there will be a more of chances that we will be feeling lot of hunger at night. So if we are filling ourselves in the evening only, we will not be having any urge to eat at the night. So after having mid-evening snack, you need to consume your dinner by 8, max to max by 8. You are sleeping at 12, you are sleeping at 1, you are sleeping at 10. There is no need to eat anything late. You need to consume your dinner. The best time is 7, but if you don't want to consume it that early, you can consume it at your 8 p.m. So in the dinner, what we will be having, we can have options like very light. You can have either a ball of papaya, kiwi or pineapple. These are the fruit options. If you don't want to consume them, leave that. If you want to have something like veggies or something, you can have sorted veggies. You can have paneer salad. If you are vegetarian, you can have egg salad. These are the second options. Now coming to the, if you still don't feel like it is something of my plate that I can consume, if you are a beginner, then you can start with a ball of poha, a ball of dal or a ball of sabzi. But please make sure, try not to consume salt at night. If you want to consume salt at night, if you are a beginner, then put little bit of pink salt into it. Do not consume any white salt, that will make you lose weight. That will gives you water retention, and your face will like feel bloated like this much. Your face will be swelled. So this is all for the meals. Now coming to that, we will be having a big gap between our sleeping time and our dinner time. So if this is the case, then what you can do is, after an hour of your dinner or after 2 hours of your dinner, whenever you feel hungry, you can have a cup of chamomile tea or you can have a cup of green tea. If that is something that is suffix for you, that is completely making you filler, that's really good to go. But if it's not, then what you can consume 5 or 10 pieces of makhana, 2 digestive biscuit, or 5 or 10 pieces of, you can say, like roasted chana. So this is going to be your after dinner meal if you feel hungry. Otherwise, there is no need to take it. So this is all for the meals. Now coming to the bed drink. So bed drink is the crucial part. You need to take that. So there are, I will be giving you many of the options for the bed drink, because I think one bed drink will not be, means you can say, will suit you. Some people take like, you want to consume jeera water or you want to consume lemon water, whatever suits you. You can choose as per your choice. So I will be giving you like 2 or 3 options for the bed drink. For the bed drink, what you can consume cumin seeds, again like morning drink, or you can consume lemon water, or third option comes when both of these things doesn't suit you, then what you can consume is, you can consume amla juice. Now what is the procedure to consume amla juice? What you can do, you can take 2 caps of amla juice, which is available at Patanjali stores or any of the, you can say, chemist shop. Now it's available, right? Like there will be a हिमालयन, यू कैन से हिमालय का भी आता है, वो भी आप कंज्यूम कर सकते हो। तो आपने क्या करना है, आपने 2 कैप्स लेनी है, ल्यूकवार्म वाटर में ऐड करना है, जैसे हम एप्पल साइडर विनेगर लेते हैं सेम तरीके से वो लेना है। सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर द डे। नाउ यू कैन यूज दीज ऑप्शंस फॉर अ वीक, and even I will be sharing a particular chart at the end of my video where you can see what all options you can take or what will be best for you. You can even consume these all the day wise chart. I will be giving you 7 days chart. You can consume all of these and check your results. If you find good results, you can even enroll with me through our Instagram channel, which is named by Diet by Simran Vora. So this is all for the day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.